invite Dr. Sashi Rani Dev, Associate Professor at the Department of Social Work, University of Delhi, to deliver vote of thanks. Apart from the demonstration project called Child and Adolescent Wellbeing, Center for Child and Adolescent Wellbeing. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Pushpanjali, for introducing me to the audience. And first of all, a very good morning. And it was really a very nice morning, I would say. First of all, we need to thank the Mother Nature that it allowed us to, come to this platform and to share our, views with each other. Because in the morning I was really, thinking about how we are going to organize this program if the weather is not suitable. So thank you so much, and respected distinguished guests and representatives of IASSW, respected our registrar sir, Dr. Vikas Gupta, who left and he had some other commitments, so he could not spend much time with us. But yes, he spoke about the issue of social justice and how we can bring, different dignitaries and other agencies to, speak to each other and to, work towards the goal of social justice. And he also reminded us the rich legacy of the department with which we started, and till the point we are continuously working hard to maintain that legacy of the department. And at the same time, I would like to extend sincere thanks to our, the IASSW President, Professor Lombard, President IASSW, Department of Social Work, University of Pretoria, South Africa. He very well spoke about the common goals and associated living and how we can, move forward, towards sustaining the good practices with which we are, gathered here to, work together. So at the same time, I would like to extend our sincere thanks to our special invitee. Sir, you spoke about that why I am a special invitee at this forum. You were always special to us and you will be special to us because we always love to hear from your side and how we are learning lot many things, that how you are bringing, expressing your views so boldly and fearlessly at the platform where it is really very required. So we are learning lot many things and you hold a special place in our hearts. So thank you so much for your presence and reminding us that how collectively we can speak about social justice and how, we can engage each other, at the sites of our engagement, which are the real sites of engagement in terms of social inequalities, poverty and discriminatory practices which we are witnessing together. So we need to work, collectively to attain the dignified places to work together. So at the same time, I also would like to extend our sincere thanks to Professor Rukmani Banerjee. You were speaking lot many things, and I was jotting down the notes when volunteer came and said, ma'am, please don't speak much about. So that is why I'm getting nervous that I have written so many things to, share with each other. Like you were speaking about how, we can proceed further, when it comes to recognizing the small issues and then the local issues which are there, and how we can engage the community people with their perspectives, with their knowledge, and to, holding the hand with each other to work towards these sustainable practices. And because we are also having a center for child and adolescent well-being, and I was learning lot many things how we can, go along with each other. So thank you so much for bringing the insights from the field. And yes, Professor Sanjay Roy, your unconditional support, and I was looking at you since morning that how you were standing at the back, being a HOD, and this is really very nice to see how one leader, is not eager to take a place in the dais, but at the same time supporting each and everyone so that we can organize this program with the grace and by maintaining the dignity. I think you deserve a very huge round of applause because the way you have organized things is really commendable, and we are learning lot many things how leaders should be at the backstage. So thank you so much for supporting us and motivating us to organize such kind of programs. And I think I will do injustice if I will not mention the names of the volunteers and the students who are day and night from past 1 week. I have seen how you are working in the department. I have seen how you are coordinating with each other. I have seen how early in the morning you gathered here and you have taken the responsibility to run the show. So you deserve a special round of applause, and thank you so much for arranging each and everything so that we can have a nice morning and engage with each other. Last but not the least, dear faculty members, without your support, nothing can happen. Despite the fact that there were lot many limitations, there were lot many barriers, technicalities with which she was really in trouble, but at the same time, because of your support, she got that kind of, motivation to hold this meeting. And आखिर में मुझे प्रोफेसर पामिला सिंगला के बारे में तो जरूर कुछ ना कुछ कहना ही है. Without naming Professor Pamela Singla, I think this vote of thanks is incomplete. So thank you so much, ma'am, from core of our hearts, because you brought us together, and then it was you that you thought, primarily that why we cannot have this meeting at the Department of Social Work and in the University of Delhi. And I have, I was discussing lot many things with you. You shared lot many things with us at the department, and the idea was to have a, collective association for sustainable future, and to also to learn from each other that how we can go ahead with our agenda and collective vision. So thank you so much, ma'am, that you are bringing us together and providing this opportunity to interact with each other and to learn from each other that how we can share this collective goal of sustainable future. And thank you, Convention Center staff and all other people, those are supporting us to have this event. And in the morning session, the tone of the program is rightly set, so we are going to have many more learnings in the afternoon program and afternoon sessions. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.